Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay, be interesting. Look, wrong colour. Let's just bring that in. Okay. Hmm, 30 pixels. Together. Right, 30 is not big enough. 40. Distance between 145, 250, 110. We'll shift these into place. 20 is too far. How about 17? 15 looks good. Okay. 107. 100. Right, 179. Let's just add one here to make them slightly. That's possibly that. Although I'm starting to think this would be easier with a couple of elements and border radius. And maybe a square in the middle. So yeah, actually, let's do it that way for now. Gradient. We'll get rid of this. Right, how wide do we think this is? 128. Let's call that 270, so 130 from either side. 130 plus 130, so about 260, leaving us 140 pixels. And then we'll call its height 50 pixels for now. We'll make it blue for 75%. Yellow. And then we will shift it across 130 pixels and down 130 pixels. Once we that will get us that line through the middle. It's good. Other than whatever mess I just typed there. Okay. There. We will bring an outline in. Good. Green for now. We will give it some margins. So 30 down, 100 in. A bit further. Border radius of 9 in. Rotate it 45 degrees first on. And that actually wouldn't be far off. 33, 34, 35. That looks remarkably close to the right shape. That is a ground of yellow. That looks remarkably close. And we're going to need to add a paragraph from 70 off 300 is going to give us 230. 230. Margin 0. What's that then? Okay. And then we'll take 90 degrees. And we'll see how close we are. That is 100%, so minify and unit replace. Now, is there anything else we could have done? This seems a little ouchy, but should maybe using a box shadow inset on the back. We could try that. Let's do yellow. Not the yellow, we want blue. I will eventually copy the right color. And then if we use shadow, inset 0, 0, 0. Pixels. What happens? It goes exactly the opposite way to what I wanted it to, which kind of makes sense. But actually, if I make this yellow, and this, then I can just bring this in. That will be slightly shorter. Unit replace on that. 130 pixels, it really doesn't. It would be about 134 Q. Maybe 135, 136, 137. Let's try it at 137 and see whether or not it still gets 100%. No. About 138. Test it the other side. Okay. The diff looks more or less the same between 137 and 138. Obviously, 138 is better on the back end. Can't think of anything else I'd want to do. Don't think I could easily do it with the HTML and the elements alone. So yeah, can I get rid of this mark? No, maybe no. So I took this. No. Possibly could be an image, but no, that's where I'm going to leave it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.